To set up your shipping address on Stockx, start by typing Stockx into your web browser's search bar and click on the first option, which will take you to the Stockx website. Once you're on the site, you'll see various sections, including the homepage, search bar, and login button. Click on the login button and enter your email and password information to access your account. After logging in, you'll see options such as search, news, help, sell, favorites, and notifications. To change your shipping address, navigate to the Profile section, where you'll find options including Profile, Buying, Selling, Favorites, Portfolio, Message Center, Wallet, Settings, and Log Out. To set up your shipping address, go to the Wallet section, where you can edit your billing and shipping information by typing in your actual shipping address. Once you've updated this information, you'll be able to receive products directly to your door using Stockx.